Today I'm going to show you how to reset PS3. First of all, what you need to do is, as you can see, it's on right now. Switch it off by holding the power button. As you can see, the power switch gone off. Then just hold the power button. You need to just listen for it. You need to wait for the 2 beeps. When it goes off again, try again. Second time, you should be able to get the 2 beeps. There you go, that's the one. Then let go of the power button. As you can see what it says connect the controllers using the USB cable. So mine's already connected. As you can see on the settings, this is what you're gonna get. Safe mode. Then what you need to do is scroll down to restore PS3 system, press X. As you can see, it says you will format all your data and will be deleted. This data cannot be restored. Are you sure you want to continue? So you press yes, press X. Once you do that, restore the default settings. So this shouldn't take that long, but it will delete all your data, all your games, everything, your settings. As you can see, the system's come back on. There you go, guys. When you connect to the PS3 to the TV, this is the settings what you get. Thank you. If you find this helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.